A googol is 1 followed by 100 zeros, and a googolplex is 10 to the power of that. Short answer, no, nobody will ever write out a googolplex. In this recording for my video Numbers with Silly Names, you see me write out a googol, 1 followed by 100 zeros. It takes me 117 seconds, so that's 1.17 seconds per zero. That might seem slow, but if you were writing out a googolplex, you would have similar considerations to me which would slow you down, namely keeping track of how many zeros you've written and keeping your writing legible. But with the 1.17 seconds per zero rate, writing out a googolplex would take about 10 to the 100 minus 7.4 years, so about a googol years. That sounds like a lot, but it has been estimated that the particles of our universe will reassemble themselves into this exact moment, that one just now, in about 10 to the 10 to the 10 to the 10 to the 2.08 Planck times millennia or whatever. That's a lot longer than a googolplex years. It's like 10 to the googolplex years. But yeah, in theory, you could finish writing out a googolplex before the timeline loops back upon itself, though there would be some other difficulties to consider, like dying. The sun, I mean. Apparently that's gonna die in like 5 billion years, ignoring that the Earth will become unlivable far before then. That could get me about 134 quadrillion, 769 trillion, 230 billion, 769 million, 230,000, 769 zeros, if I start now. Probably your only hope then to write out a googolplex is for the definition of the number to change. So I guess we'll have to hope for that. Googolplex today is defined as 10 to the power of a googol, but originally it was defined by the 9-year-old who named it as 1 followed by writing zeros until you get tired. That's what would actually happen if you attempted to write a googolplex, but the point is there's hope that maybe the definition will change once again someday.